very much for clicking onto this video. So this video is all about Feeling Unique, and it's an online beauty company here, and they, unfortunately, I think they only deliver to the UK and Ireland. I know Look Fantastic deliver everywhere, but for now they just deliver sort of here. And I put in an order for their sample service and another couple of things that I needed as well. Now they did ship things separately, and I wanted to do this video to let you know that the Feel Unique sample service is getting up and running again. And I use the word getting up and running again because one minute it's going, it's up and running, and next minute it's suspended. So I think they're sort of trying to test the waters to see, gauge the interest in things. The more expensive one was up and running for a couple of days and then completely suspended. So I will put in the description bar, or you can even go to the website yourself and check. But I was able to put my order in and they arrived. It took a while, maybe like 10 days for it to arrive, but it eventually got here. And if you remember, it is 5 samples from, the list is endless, from skincare, hair care, makeup, for £3.95, no subscription, and you get to do that once every month. Now, the one thing that is definitely different, they don't send you the £3.95 in a redeemable code. They used to do that, and you could use that code against your next set of samples, so practically making then the samples free every month. But they are, I don't think anybody has got their code yet when they opened up the sample service the other week. So that's one thing I'll need to find out as well, and I'll try and put it in the description bar. But enough chit chat, and now to the samples. So the first samples that I ordered, they are a bit hit and miss about the sizes, and I seen this was 10 mils and I ordered it. It is from Beetle Abroad, and Beetle Abroad are really renowned for their false tan. And actually the girl who founded the company lives not actually far from where I live. I don't know, I don't think I'm going to use this because it is more of a body makeup rather than a self tan. I don't know, well, I might try it out. I mean, after all, it is a sample. I might try it out. It's in the shade Latte, and it's called Body Blur, so I'm guessing this would be really good for problem areas like legs and stuff, or if you've got scars maybe. So that's it there, and I'm just, oh my gosh, look at that. It's like squashed to an inch of its life. It's really squashed. I'm just going to see if it's been opened. Well, there's no seal on it, so I'm not sure what is going on with that one. It looks like there's hardly any product that it's been squeezed out. But that is that one from Beetle Abroad. Next up is just a sachet. This is from Elvis, and it's their Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. And those wee sachets are brilliant for travelling. I just keep them and keep them all together, and I sort of organise them into skincare and makeup and throw them into my bag then when I'm travelling. So they are brilliant, actually brilliant. And what's up next? So the Janeiro, I've ordered this sample before, but again, fantastic for travelling. And this is their Cocoa Cabana cream. So that is a different version of their Bum Bum cream. There's about 7.5 mils in here. It's not going to do the whole body, but I've already got a sample of this, so I have a decent amount then to bring with me if I'm travelling. I hate the little, these are not good for resealing, so, but that is a really good sample. Next up is a perfume, and it's from Miu Miu. I have it here. This one's actually good. There's a decent amount in this little bottle, Sometimes I don't fill them up the whole way. And I sprayed this one on before I did this video, and actually this is absolutely gorgeous. I've fallen in love with this perfume. I think I sprayed this before in store, and I remember liking it. Fantastic. And I have vouchers. I might actually order the full size of this. This is absolutely brilliant. But I want to see what way it wears, how long it lasts. But it's gorgeous. It's very light, a bit sweet, but it's very sophisticated smelling. I really do like that one. That is lovely. Next up, and the last sample is from Victor and Rolf, and this is the Nectar version of their flower bomb. And again, I sprayed this before I did the video just to get an idea of the scent. And this would be good for somebody that doesn't like the flower bomb, because it doesn't hit you in the face. It is a bit more subtle. I think that's because there's different florals in it. I have a funny feeling violet comes to my head because it seems very familiar, but it mightn't even be violets, but that's what I think of. And it's a little bit sweet, but not too much. This is actually really lovely. It's quite different than flower bomb, but it's still floral. So that is all of the samples. I'm hoping that it's back up and running again because I really enjoy the perfumes. Right. The other separate order came in this little box here. And the first thing that I needed was an SPF. It's for my daughter. I took care of her skincare because she's learning difficulties, and she needed an SPF for the face, and I wanted something sort of that was quick and reliable, and I was recommended this. Loads of good reviews. This is from Roche Posay, and it's their Anthelios. I hope I'm saying that right, but it's factor 50 plus, which is really, really good. She has really fair skin and tensy for dry skin on the face as well. This goes on really brilliantly. I'm really impressed. The spray is really fine and it dries in more or less instantly. Whereas if I was using another cream on her, it would take a while to sort of sink in. And she has problems with oil as well on her skin, so this is fantastic. I can't remember the full retail price of this, but it was reduced to around about £10.25 or something like that. It was really good. I do highly recommend it, or go and read the reviews if you're looking for a good facial separate SPF. So that's really good. Really glad I put in that order. And then next up, right, this is a little box of it, and this is actually a repurchase, and this is the, oh my god, the right way. This is from Janeiro, and the little set contains the lip butter and a little mini body spray. Now this set was £15, and I remember getting it at the time, but I don't remember it being such good value because I didn't realise the price of the lip butter. The lip butter to buy on its own is £15, so you are more or less getting the little body spray free. So here it is here. Oh. So the little body spray and the lip butter. And the full size of the body spray to buy, I think it's around about £26, which seems like a lot. I think there's 150 or 200 mils, but it is, if you are a fan of that scent, then you'll want the body spray. It does smell like the Bum Bum cream, so I think it would be good if you wear the Bum Bum cream all the time. It would be good to layer up with this, because then you're not putting on a different smell. And also this is fantastic during the summer because it is so light. It just smells nice and sort of fresh and comforting as well. It doesn't last all day. But I mean, it's not a perfume. I didn't expect it to last all day, but it's just super good. There is only 30 mils in this, so it doesn't last long at all. But it's good that you're getting it free. Now, the Boom Boom Cream, or the Boom Boom Cream lip butter, it's called Brazilian Kiss. Is this the one? Hold on. I've actually got one to go. That's the one that's in there. I'm going to show you that one. This is the one I've got on the go. So that's in there. £15 for lip butter. Oh, super expensive. But to be honest, you get a good amount of product in here. How much? I can't see, the writing is so small. Let's see. Actually, can't even see it there. I'll put it in the description. But there is a good amount of product. And the thing about this is, there's it there. It's super, super thick. When I put this, I tend to put it on morning and night. Morning and night. And I don't feel the need to reapply during the day, which is super odd. My lips are dry. I feel the need to put a lip butter or a lip balm all the time. This one's fantastic. It really does a good job of rehydrating and just keeping the lips just feeling super hydrated. I absolutely love it. Now, the smell and the scent, it does smell like the Boom Boom Cream. No kidding you, it smells sort of like caramelly, but not too caramelly that it would be sort of sickening. And also the taste is very, very, very subtle. It's not sickly at all, and it just, you forget about it after a while as well. So I would definitely highly recommend the lip butter. I would definitely probably do a review on that on its own. It's so good. It's lovely. Excuse the nails. I'm testing out an Avon gel nail polish at the minute, and it's terrible. The dark colours in it are fantastic, but I have a light colour in it and it's not all that good. But yes, back to the lip butter. Fantastic. I definitely recommend it. I keep that actually beside my bedside cabinet, and that way then I remember to put it on. But to be honest, I do remember, I reach for it. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is a treat, and I feel as if it's sort of, my lips are definitely hydrated and feel fuller and smooth. So that is it. That is the end of the Little Feel Unique order. I have more videos to do. And yes, keep an eye out for a giveaway, because I need to do another giveaway. And thank you for everybody for watching, and thank you also for subscribing as well. And if you have any questions, please feel free to hit me in the comments below, and I hope you have a lovely day or a lovely evening wherever you are. Thank you. Bye bye.